Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Triund Trek vlog. So Triund Trek starts from Mcleodgunj. It's according to Google, it's around 9 km from the Mcleodgunj main chowk. So some of the distance can be covered with your two-wheeler or four-wheeler. क्योंकि यहाँ से काफ़ी दूर तक रास्ता दिख रहा है. So we'll start from our hotel, which is very near to the Mcleodgunj main chowk, and we are taking our bike with us as long as we can, and उसके बाद शायद ट्रैक करना पड़े. According to the trekkers who have already run it, it should not take more than 3 or 4 hours based on your trekking speed to climb the Triund Trek top. So let's see from where do we need to park our bike and from where we should actually start trekking. Finally हम लोगों को actual trail मिल गया जो that leads to Triund Trek. So this is around 1.7 kilometers from the Mcleodgunj main chowk. So till this point, like 1.5 kilometer, you can come with your vehicle, and यहाँ पे vehicle park करके then you have to start trekking. As of now, we are experiencing very well made trekking trail. So there is no big stones and rocks which you have to climb and all. So look at the sky, man, and from this point the entire valley can be seen right at the horizon, and this is a trail part, and far behind we can also see the waterfall as well. So we'll proceed towards the waterfall only, and we'll go past the waterfall. From the main trek route you have to take a 100-meter detour to witness the waterfall. This is Bhagsu waterfall, if I'm not wrong. So it's a small waterfall with a small stream, but this place is serene, and look at the view from this place as well. It's awesome. So you can see the water stream. This is the Bhagsu waterfall only. तो कुछ देर पहले हम लोग नीचे थे, अभी हम लोग ऊपर आ गए. So from this point it's going down at the bottom. So ये एक important water crossing है जो आप one of the benchmark हो सकता है आपके trek का. So in any of the treks you do, you should keep some benchmark points. So we have passed through this, we have passed through that, so as to keep track of the route. So this can be your first checkpoint. Finally, looks like we are reaching some kind of flat surface. So, hello. Hi. अब आप देख रहे हो ट्री लाइन कब ख़त्म हो चुका है. The entire tree line has ended, and I think यहाँ पे लोग कैंप भी लगाते हैं. तो यहाँ से ऊपर की तरफ रास्ता दिख रहा है, वो देखिए. People are going over there. So this place is quite amazing, to be honest. The entire Dharamshla and Mcleodgunj can be seen along with the entire valley. This is amazing, isn't it? So after trekking around 1.5 hours, I got really tired because the sun is up there. So I have been sweating a lot. So I decided to remove my jacket, and after completing 50 steps you take a pause for 10 to 15 seconds, and again you start climbing for another next 50 steps. So this keeps my leg fresh, not much exhausted, and it keeps me going. And this formula worked a lot. I applied this formula in Gochila Trek, and also I applied this formula in Chadar Trek. So this really works. This is the Triund Campsite, which I completed in 2 hours. after starting from Mcleodgunj main chowk. So I think ये बस आधा ही रास्ता है. So 50% more to go. But यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा ब्रेकफास्ट वगैरह कर सकता हूँ. So this is the entire trek route. It goes all the way up there. And look at this view from this point. So we are reaching this point. This can be considered as the third checkpoint. And here se I can see the entire range. Entire Dhauladhar range can be seen. So this is extremely awesome, and can see people trekking over there. So that top might be the Triund top. So people are already climbing over there. So I can see the entire trek route, as I have been seeing from the Triund Campsite, which was the second checkpoint. Look at this view, guys. I am not yet at the Triund top, but still this view is mesmerizing. You can see layers and layers of hills in the horizon, and if you closely notice, we can also see the Dharamshala cricket ground from this point, very clearly visible. So guys, this can be your fourth checkpoint. यहाँ से एक टॉप दिखता है, एक मेरे पीछे जो टॉप है. Most possibly that is the Triund top. So वहाँ पे जाके देखना पड़ेगा. It's around 12:15 now. So hopefully 1 बजे तक मैं वहाँ पे पहुँच जाऊँगा. Let's see. So guys, we have reached yet another campsite, which can be considered as the second campsite of Triund Trek. So यहाँ से भी काफ़ी और चढ़ना होगा लग रहा है. Another 1 hour or so. यहाँ पे थोड़ी थोड़ी जगह बर्फ़ दिख रहा है, ऊपर जाकर बर्फ़ मिल भी सकता है. Let's see. मैं यहाँ से देखता हूँ थोड़ा पानी वगैरह बराबर हो सकता है कि नहीं. So look at this. Finally I have found snow over here. यहाँ से और आधा घंटा ट्रेक करने के बाद I will reach Triund top. So now it seems like never ending, but I must reach there. So down there we can see the second campsite. So we have almost reached. Another half an hour or so and we'll be there. So बस इतना ही बचा भाई. चलो चलते. Finally, yeah, the Triund top is visible. And undoubtedly this is one of the best single day trek in India, क्योंकि इतने पास से like this is one of the most beautiful trek trail I have ever trekked, because you can see an entire range, the entire Dhauladhar range from so close. So last 1 hour of the trek, not even 1 hour, last couple of hours of the trek, you were just looking at the Dhauladhar range and trekking to the top. So it doesn't let you get tired. The beautiful view of it, and you see here is the Triund Trek campsite. It's all snow at this area. Look at this place, man, it's magical. There's a small temple, and this is Where am I standing? This is the Triund Peak. The entire Dhauladhar range can be seen from this point. It's so near, it's so near. It's magical. And this is the other side. The entire horizon can be seen. So guys, now it's time to descend, and there is another route which go via Dharamkot, and I just came to know from one guy that it only around 6 kilometers. He took around 2.5 hours or 2 hours I guess to climb to the top, so it should be much easier and I should take much less time to go down. So I am not going to take the same route to go down. I'll be taking the other route. Let's see how this route treats me. So this is the other route that comes down, and snow is there are snow all over, and it has become mud as well. Lots of people has already come through this road. It has become mud and a bit dangerous, so थोड़ा संभाल के चलना पड़ रहा है. Otherwise, if it is a shorter distance, then it's all good. Let's see. So guys, I'm back at my homestay. I couldn't update the last leg of my trek because my memory card got full. But if I want to brief the entire trek, it took me around 4.5 hours to climb the Triund top and a little less than 2 hours to come down. So there are two routes. One is a bit longer route which I took that goes through the Bhagsu waterfall, and the other route starts from the Bhagsu main chowk itself, which is a bit shorter route. But if you take the shorter route, you'll not be able to enjoy any scenic view because it goes through the forest. So you will not get any scenic view at all. But if you take the longer route which I took, you will get scenic view the entire way. You will be having a view of the entire Mcleodgunj and Dharamslaa as well, and with that you will also get the view of mighty Dhauladhar range after a certain point of time in your trek. So decision is up to you which way you want to take, but I would surely recommend this trek to anyone and everyone who wants to start their trekking, because this is really a trek of easy to moderate level and is doable within 1 day. But if you want, you can also break this trek in 2 days. Like you can go to the top in 1 day and next day you can come back. There are camps available at the top. I heard it costs around 1200 per head per night to stay at those camps, so you can do that as well. But overall, this trek is one of the most recommended treks which is doable in a single day, and I would recommend you all to do this trek at least once in your lifetime. Before closing, I would like to request you, if you have liked this video, kindly do like and comment, and if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also press the bell button so that you get all my video updates in future. Until next time, stop dreaming, start traveling. Goodbye.